This is David Luking with GrassFlap. Wanted to show you the GrassFlap installed on this Spartan mower. This is a 48-inch model. The GrassFlap will stay closed without your foot on the pedal, or you can operate it with a push and release of the pedal to get it to open position where it will stay without your foot on the pedal, or you can close it and partial open it simply by holding your foot on the pedal and open it to whatever point you want. Very easy to operate while you are mowing, so keep your hands on the controls. Very easy install. It's got a no drill mount that lets you bolt into existing holes on the deck, so no drilling holes there to install it. Foot pedal also has a mount that lets you bolt to an existing hole on the foot pad, so you can install the pedal without doing any drilling. So it's a very easy install. Installation will be the same regardless of what size deck you have on your mower. Hope you like it. Thanks.